This is the world's largest naval station. This is Naval Station Norfolk, located in Norfolk, Virginia. The base houses the largest concentration of U.S. Navy forces, supporting 75 ships and 134 aircraft, and manages just about everything happening in the Atlantic. The site was established during World War I and expanded during World War II. After the war, NS Norfolk became the primary base of the Atlantic Fleet. In 1968, the Naval Air Station became Recovery Control Center Atlantic for the recovery operation of Apollo 7. Today, the station is home port of 4 carrier strike groups and their assigned ships.